Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to replace a screen on an Asus K55A laptop. The tools I'll be using is just a basic screwdriver so that you can wedge the screen out, the plastic part of the screen. Normal screwdriver, just a cross screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers, and also a magnet. That's optional, but it's helpful for removing the screws. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you've removed your laptop battery. Then what you're going to do is with the tweezers, there's two little rubber stickers here in front of the screws that you want to remove on your laptop. So that's the first one, and same thing on the right side. Next thing, you have two little screws here you want to take out. And got the first screw. Second one, and then your front panel should be able to come off, and that's where you're going to need this flat screwdriver. Just wedge it in like this into the panel and turn it in there, and it'll all snap off. It comes off pretty easily. And the bottom part is also wedged in here. You can take that out with your fingers so you don't damage the screen. Although I will be replacing this screen. So that part comes off. After that, you have two screws on each side at the bottom and one screw on each side at the top. So that's a total of 6. You want to take those out as well. And then once those are all out, then this back panel will come off. So there's a little bit of a thing here that you should be able to pull back. And then you want this metal part to come forward. So this little plastic clip here comes off, and then the back part comes back. Now you have screws in the side of the screen here. You want to take those out as well. What you can do is lie the screen forward to make it a little bit easier to take those out. So now what you want to do is remove the tape that's got this connector stuck to the back of your screen. So tape comes off, and then you should be able to pull the connector just connecting your screen to the computer. Pull it gently down and it'll come out. You can tape that back here, and now the screen is completely out of your computer. Now you want to get your new screen. Lay it down in the same position and get your screws back into the holders. So line it up, make sure the hole is aligned, and screw it back in. And now what you want to do is make sure you slide your connector in. So just like that. And you should feel it click into place. And you can put that tape back down there, and your screen is connected. So what you want to do now is lift it back up, lift the back panel up, slide those two holders on top again so that they're on top here, just like that, and replace your other screws. Want to grab your front panel again, and that should snap right back on. I'm going to remove this film as well. This is like a protection for the screen. Let's see. Peel that away. And snap our front panel back into place. Make sure you don't overstep any cables. There we go. I want to check the back too, make sure everything is snapped into place. There's a little cable here, I think. It's stuck, but basically it should be inside. Yeah, there we go. And then this will snap into place. As you can see, your front panel is solid. And then you just put your two screws back, put the stickies on top, and you're good to go.